Hello, and welcome to this session on Auditing in Purview for Business Central as part of the Business Central launch event for 2024 Release Wave 2. Today, I'll go through Auditing in Purview and the benefits it brings to Business Central. Purview is an auditing solution that allows audit administrators to see operations executed by users across all Microsoft services, including Business Central, in a single portal. This can help responding to security events in case you want to see what a user did, for example, after an account is compromised. You can use it to run forensic investigations. And for customers with specific business needs or industry compliance requirements, this can help them meet those requirements in having user operations be auditable. Let's jump straight into a demo of what Business Central events in Purview look like. To reach Purview, you navigate to purview.microsoft.com, and you'll see this interface that allows you to filter and search for specific events across your tenant. In this case, I'm looking for all activities in Business Central. And for that, I can navigate to record type Business Central, and that would give me all the events related to Business Central. To find specific activities within Business Central, I open this activity pane and filter specifically to Dynamics 365 Business Central, and there you'll see the categories of activities that we have. So if I'm only interested in environment administration activities, I would be filtering further to this. Of course, if I'm looking for more specific events, I can use the keyword search, for example, to search for a specific environment name, or I could use the user filter to only return activities undertaken by a specific user. Finally, what's important is to select the date filter. So let's say I'm looking for all September month to date. I'd select that. So once I'm happy, I click search, I click refresh here, and you can see my search. So the date filter, the activity name, and the record type is being queued and is running. After a few minutes, this will complete, and I can open the report with more details where I can see all events that met those filters that were executed on this tenant. Initially, the events that you can audit for Business Central in Purview fall in these categories. From environment administration, which includes everything you would do in the admin center, to report administration, which include any changes made to reporting inside a Business Central environment. There are a few things that are good to know as we enable auditing of Business Central events in Purview. Firstly, auditing is included and enabled by default with most Microsoft 365 plans, meaning that if you have one of the included Microsoft 365 plans, you don't have to do anything to enable Purview. It's already running on your tenant. By default, Purview retains the logs for 180 days, but by purchasing add-on licenses or with specific Microsoft 365 plans, you can extend this up to 10 years. The easiest way to get to Purview events is in the Purview portal, where you can run manual reports, as I've just shown you. But for more advanced needs, you can use PowerShell or the Management Activity API to automate. This is only the beginning of auditing Business Central events in Purview, and we'd really like to hear your ideas on what else you would want to see in Purview for Business Central. To submit your ideas, navigate to aka.ms/bcideas and create a new idea. This concludes Purview in Business Central. Thank you for watching.